In this short video, we're going to show you how to insulate a pallet to keep the contents at an ambient temperature during transportation.
When you order thermal packaging insulated pallet covers, you have the option of adding an insulated base. Whilst you can order pallet covers in various height sizes, it can also be cut to suit the height of the products packed. This ThermaPack Ultra pallet cover can simply be lifted over the pallet. Now all four corners are sealed with a double-sided adhesive tape. You also have the option of a Velcro style closure if you wish to have a reusable pallet cover.
Once all four corners of the pallet are fully sealed, you can simply overlap the base of the pallet onto the walls. This ensures the content is fully sealed and airtight. The content of the pallet is now protected. ThermaPack Ultra Double, as shown here, has been independently tested to achieve a thermal resistance or R value of 1.46, providing equivalent insulation performance to 55 mm of polystyrene or styrofoam. A performance designed to keep chilled food produce and pharmaceutical shipments at between 2 and 8 degrees centigrade.
TP Solutions also manufactures pallet covers in EcoQuilt Expert high-performance multifoil insulation for maximum performance, equivalent to around 75 mm of polystyrene.
ThermaPack Ultra Double is fast becoming the more eco-friendly alternative to replace bulky polystyrene. ThermaPack is also used to manufacture insulated envelopes, insulated box liners, insulated courier packs,
and to manufacture shipping container insulation kits that are used throughout the world. You can order all sizes of insulated pallet covers direct from tpsolutions.eu for delivery anywhere in the UK or Europe.